Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize. Usually you will have all of them turned on, I mean those switchers, and basically you will not be able to tap on date and time. It is because this option is set by a default by a developer, but in order to manually customize the date and time we have to turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date, and from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just from this clock pick the time you want to use. If you don't want to use this clock, no worries, just tap on this keyboard icon and you will be able to simply type the time, and it will be of course immediately applied. Here with the time zone you can either decide whether you want to use the location to set the time zone or set it manually. Just tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here we've got the full list of available regions. Of course you can search it by entering the name of it, and then after finding simply tap. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. In my case it did not happen, but remember, right here we can manually decide which kind of format, clock format we want to use. Currently we've got the 12-hour format, 24-hour format. If you want to use 12-hour one, just turn off this option and it will be also immediately applied. If you want to get back to all automatic options, no worries, just tap on those switchers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.